everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cryptosonic with a new amazing project that is very suitable, that is very helpful, and this is growing business helping IP proxies that is going to grow your business all over the world, all over the places that are restricted. But here you can find the top quality proxy with better prices. In this video I will show you each and everything. Before that, if you are new on my YouTube channel Cryptosonic, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. All these link you have to explore all these link where residential IP proxies up to 57% off means you can purchase $3 per GP that instead of $7 per GP. But now 2 dB for only $0.7 per GP. This is your way to grow your business. This is one of the best pilot project, top quality proxies with better prices. You can buy, you can get the plans, so you can also grow your business in restricted area too, to get more working area, and your work will inspire the other people. Means where you can get the ultra fast connections near about to 70 million plus a vetted source proxy network guaranteed to deliver 99.9% uptime for your business need. That you have to need about the HTTP and HTTPS source 5 support. There will be 0.58 second average response time, but now they are also going to offering the rotating and sticky sessions about their IPs. Means you have a best opportunity to buy their IPs, and this is also recognized by Dolphin, Ignition, and NST Browser, Trustpilot, BitBrother. Means you can also connect yourself with a big network with the Swiftproxy. Swiftproxy, one of the best trusted website where you can get the service of proxy in the top high quality. Over 70 million all over the world vetted source residential proxy are waiting for you. Swiftproxy is dedicated to offering client the fastest and most efficient residential proxy that are available to get an extensive array of proxy resources spanning worldwide locations. So you have to get these effortless proxy integration with over 650 tools and software options that is pre-written code. So you can get start with web scraping project is quick and easy. There you can also check how you are going to start city targeting, pay as you go the option, how much you need the IPs for how long duration. You can also customize all these details. No charge for bad IPs. This is the best comparison. You have to get started with that. You have to meet multiple business need, SEO and SERP scraping. All these purpose for which you can choose your should be about third and Swiftproxy that is using for the stock market, e-commerce, where you can monitor, you can optimize your account, as well as there will be search and optimization all over the world to scrap the data. You can use their IPs. So here you can check why you have to choose Swiftproxy, because this is a wide range solution for your business growth, including residential proxy and static residential proxy. I will show you. I will also give you explanation how to use these IPs. There are 70 million plus real premium IPs over 220 plus locations. Here is also static residential proxy, industry tested reliability, stability, and there is residential proxy too, where you can get the basic plan as $3 per GP. In total you can get $15 per, like you are going to grab these GPS level. So here is enhancing 20 GB per GP 2.5, as much as your total number of GP that you have required will increase, the price will decrease. So you can also get the enterprise too, contact their support. There are real team members who will support you, who will give you a complete information that you need for your business, for your integrations, for your configuration. Each and everything will be discussed through their customer service support. You can use these IPs on Firefox, Microsoft, and there is Google Chrome and Yandex. So here you can also check out each and everything, as well as you can also follow them on their social media links too. So you will get a complete report. There will be WhatsApp that will help you to get more details. Now we are going to create our account. For that you have to click on this create button, and here you can put your email, your password, like you will get 6 digit code on your email. Then you have to put a password that should consist of 6 to 8 digit, and then you can put your invitation code, click on the accept and terms and condition, click on the register. Your account will be created successfully. As my friends, you will log in, and then you can check out like this interface where you will get these type of GB traffic that you have purchased, as well as how to purchase. Now you are going to click on the pricing option after creating the account, and then you will go to the interface where you can select what type of GB, what type of IPs you need for your integrations, for your help, for your business growth. You can select their product. So my friends, this is the residential proxy where you can get how much IPs you need for your business, what type of IPs you need. You can check out each and everything. If suppose if we want, here is static residential, how much IPs you need. Here you can check out. You have to click on the confirm. There will be option that you can choose TRC20, crypto payment method, PayPal, Alipay. There will be each and everything will be applied, and then you can also pay your amount. In this way you can grab their token, as well as their use case for your search and optimization, for multi accounting, price comparison, for stock marketing. You can use their IPs. There will be each and everything that is basically about their residential proxies. So you have to grab, you have to follow them on their social media links too, where they are going to giving you a best protection about anonymous, fully anonymous. You can check out your blacklist, whitelist, get proxy, how to use it, each and everything on it. So I think this will be a best solution for you, as well as if you want to invite your friend to get affiliate income, there is best poster. You can copy this link, spread it out to get 15% first transaction reward, and so on. So if you have any question or query, you can ask in our comment box. See you soon in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.